Let's be real, growth is great until it starts to feel like chaos in a nicer suit.
What are you saying about my suit, Suzanne? If you're scaling without structure, you're just building complexity, not capacity.
That's why we've built this workshop around 3 powerful tools: your business plan, your brand plan, and your marketing plan.
You're gonna walk away with all 3, custom built for your business, using proven frameworks that work together.
We're not giving you theory, we're handing you your next level.
You will leave with clarity, alignment, and a real strategy that allows your business to grow without losing its soul.
Because scaling strategically doesn't mean playing small, it means playing smart.
And if you're ready to build what's next, on purpose and on brand,
We're ready to help.
I'm Mark Biddle. I'm a business resultant with Connection Mark.
And I'm Suzanne Tulene, Brand Clarity Catalyst with Brand Ascension. Check out our 6-week on-site accelerated and experiential business training series called Think Differently, Align Internally, and Scale Strategically.
If you are ready for a reset and to recalibrate your business in just 6 short weeks, apply now to join the next cohort. We'll see you there,
right?